Hi friends, it's Sheena. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today and welcome back to my dining space. In today's video, it's going to be a continuation from my little decorate with me for Valentine's Day. Like I've mentioned, any excuse to infuse a little bit of pinks into my space, I'll take it. So as for these looks, for example, in the living space, it doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day. It's quite versatile. So you could use it for spring, summer, Mother's Day, and that's what I just love about that look in that space. So we're going to try to create the same thing in this room. I absolutely love blue and white, as you can see with these beautiful lamps there. So I do want to continue to use them in this space. So I'm going to infuse a little bit of pinks and red, and I'm hoping that it will look nice together. I also have some new plateware that I'll be using, and I'm also going to be using a lot of the items that I already have and have already used in this space. So anyways, let's get into today's video. So friends, in my previous dining room video, I did introduce you to these really gorgeous hydrangeas that I've just love so much. And I did mention that I was going to purchase them in the pink color because that's how good they are. They are the real touch hydrangeas. I mean, they're just so gorgeous. So imagine these in this really pretty vase. I mean, they're just so lovely, so lovely. Unfortunately, today I'm not going to be using these really gorgeous hydrangeas because I did purchase the pink ones. So let me just show you those real quick. I mean, this look so pretty in this blue vase. I cannot wait to bring these back out. I think I might bring these out for summertime, but I just love these so much. And just a little side note, it is a really lovely weather here in South Florida, and I do have the doors open, so if you hear some noise in the background, it's the birds in the garden having a wonderful time. But anyways, so let's put these aside for a minute. Absolutely love those. So friends, these are the beautiful pink hydrangeas that I did pick up, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love them. It is just such a gorgeous color, and I did purchase them in two different shades of pink just to jazz things up a little bit. But I absolutely love these. They are just so gorgeous. They are the real touch hydrangeas, so they don't feel like, you know, so plasticky even though they're full even though they are faux flowers. But oh gosh, I just love thinking about adding them to this vase right here to make this part of my centerpiece. And yeah, I think this will look really nice. So that's the plan for these. But oh my goodness, they're just so lovely. Absolutely love these. Okay, so let's get started with setting the table. Friends, so as for the table setting, we're going to use some of the same items that we did use the last time. I absolutely love these placemats. There's something about the shapes that I just love so much. So we're going to continue with these because I just love these so much. And as for the charger plates, these are the ones that I did show you in my previous video. So we're going to continue with these. Lovely plates that I did show you in my previous video. I absolutely love these. There's something about this scallop edge that I just love. And I'm continuing with these white napkins. So just place them on the plates. Something like that. Just really simple, nothing too fussy. And now we're just gonna go in with these little cuties right here. So now it's time to introduce a little bit of pink into the space. And I have these really gorgeous bowls. I absolutely love them. I don't know if you can see, but they do have this really pretty heart detail on the parameter here, which is just the cutest. So this is what they're looking like. So we're going to add these to the dining table. I'm just going to add one there. Oh, I love this little infusion of pink. So these really pretty bowls, I did found them at Home Goods. Do you know what? Home Goods really does have some really pretty dinnerware pieces. So if you're looking for dinnerware pieces, Home Goods, they have really pretty pieces. So I'm very happy with this look. So now I'm going to come in with my glass. For glassware, these are the ones that I love to use. These are from IKEA that I've been using for years now. Moving on. All right, so now I'm going to go in with my water glasses. So this is the beautiful arrangement that I did kind of just put together. I am just going to go in and do a little bit of a rejuvenation. This is the moment that I've been waiting for to add this really gorgeous beauty to this center space. So let's just place her. Hopefully it's in the center. So let's get her in the center here. I also have a few more pieces that I'm not quite sure if I do want to add them there, but let me just show you. So I also have this one here, which I think it's really nice. But let's see if it's what it's given. And I also have one more because I love when it's like threes in the bunch. So I also have this. I've showed you this before during the Christmas season when I went all blue and white. So something kind of like that. What are we thinking? Let me step back and take a look. I love blue and white and my pinks. Oh, just so pretty. Like I've mentioned, this look is quite versatile. So you can use it Mother's Day, spring, summer. It's just so pretty. So I am aware that with this centerpiece, you really can't see your guests in front of you. But I mean, once you're having dinner, you can just fill the center here with some really pretty red and white candles and unfortunately put this beautiful centerpiece maybe to the side or right on the credenza. But yes, as for now, we're just styling up the table and that's what it's looking like and I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to go in and add the candles. Go in with these really lovely ones. These are glass. So I'm just going to pop these right here. It's kind of like that. And I'm thinking, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep it this way, but I also have these ones here that I can do something like that with. Go in with some tapered candles. So first I'm going to go with these pink ones. And these candles, I did purchase them from Walmart. So they're very easy to find. Even though I don't think I haven't seen these pink ones in a little while. I'm pretty sure once spring comes around, they'll start bringing out more pastel colored candles. So now for my slight infusion of red. Like I've mentioned, I can only do red in very small dosage. So I'm going to go in with these tapered candles. That's also from Walmart. I'm not quite sure if these are straight, but I'm going to take a step back once I'm finished and reassess. But yes, these candles are from Walmart. Love this. I love this. Let me just adjust this just a little bit. I love that combination. Do you know what would look really nice? And this is just being really extra. So on Valentine's Day, what you could do is just sprinkle some roses on the table here. Oh my gosh, I think that would be so pretty. And of course, the lights here, they do dim. So just have a really cute romantic dinner with your partner. I love this. Love, love, love. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put the chair back because I did remove the chair so we can have a better view. All right, the pictures that I currently have in the picture frames here in this dining space. And I've absolutely loved them, but I feel like they're just a little bit too serious for what I'm going for in this room. Maybe a little bit too modern. So I want to have or add something a little bit more fun and flirty into this space. So I went ahead and brought out some of my prints. Some of them I haven't used as yet, so I don't remember what they're looking like. So let's just go through some of them together. So all these prints on the counter here, these are from Shein. Do you know what? I love purchasing my prints from Shein because they're literally like dirt cheap. They're so inexpensive. So I have this here. This one looks really pretty. I think this would look really nice here in this dining room. I could actually use this like throughout the season. So for spring, summer, absolutely love these. Okay, so I have that option there. So let me just put this down real quick. I also have, oh my gosh, this I'm obviously not going to use in today's decor, but oh my gosh, think about spring, summertime. How absolutely beautiful is this? I cannot wait to start using these. Just so pretty. And then it comes with this lovely one right here. I just love these. This is just so gorgeous. Okay, so cannot wait to start using these. They're just too lovely. So fun. XOXO. I mean, how cute is this? I absolutely love this. This would be really fun in this in the picture frame, but I feel like this is just a little bit too fun for this space. So for this, I'm going to put it in my office because I do have some pink and reds going on in there. So I'm going to put this in my office. Love this color. Again, spring, summer, Mother's Day. Oh gosh, love these. Oh, okay. So I think I found the one that I'm going to use. Yeah. Oh, this one with the hearts. How lovely is this? This would look absolutely perfect. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use in here. I hope I have two of them. Okay, love that there. So the next thing I want to do is to go in and switch out this pillow cover. So I'm just going to stash this blue one away. Love that shade. So I do have the same pillow cover, just in a different color. One thing about me, once I love something, I'll get it in all the colors that I do love. So I have this one that I'm going to put right here. I probably should have steamed it out, but let's see if I can get away with not having to steam it. For this picture frame on this back wall, I think I'm going to go in and use the same tip that I've mentioned, which is to use wrapping paper in your picture frames, because this one, it is a very large picture frame. So, and I don't have anything in that size to change this one out. So I think I want to use this. I'm not quite sure. I actually love, this is actually wrapping paper that I do have in here at the moment. So I could add this. Let's just try it out and see. If not, I could always change it back. How beautiful is this? I absolutely love it. So let's see what it looks like on the wall. We love it. We love it. It ties in perfectly with the ones I have on the opposite side with the little hearts. This is perfect. So this wrapping paper, I did pick it up from Walmart, and it literally was only $3. And this is what it's looking like in the picture frame. So I absolutely love that. Okay, so I think we're all set. So, friends, this is it. This is the final look of my Valentine's Day tablescape, and I absolutely love it. I love the fusion of the pinks and the reds together. Oh, I just love it so much. And also the addition of these cute little pink plates that I found at Home Goods. I just love this so much. And oh my goodness, the hydrangeas, they are just too beautiful. I love, love, love these. Like I've mentioned, they do have them in white. So I think I'm going to get the white ones too. That's how much I just love these hydrangeas. And also my pink prints in the picture frames. Love those. But most of all, oh my goodness, I love this little tip of using wrapping paper like I did here and add that to the picture frames. Love, love, love that. And it ties in perfectly with the theme that I have going on the table. Like I've mentioned, this look is quite versatile. You can use it for Valentine's Day, like I'm decorating for Mother's Day, for Easter. It's just a beautiful look. So, friends, this is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.